Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Drive. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 8 most reliable and inexpensive car brands that you'll definitely love. Before we move ahead with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. Drive. So, let's get started with today's video. In today's economy, practical Americans are more focused on keeping their finances in check and avoiding overspending on vehicles. While luxury brands like Ferrari and Mercedes still have a market, many are turning to affordable options from brands like Kia, Hyundai, and Nissan. While affordability often comes with concerns about quality, certain brands like Toyota and Honda combine low prices with high reliability. These brands are known for their dependability, long-lasting performance, and low maintenance costs. They remain best sellers in the US, offering high resale value and reliability scores, making them easy to resell compared to luxury brands like Mercedes or BMW. Number 8 is Ford. With an average car price of $40,527, Ford's best sellers include the Maverick and Escape, with the Maverick being the most affordable option. Over 5 years, the cost of ownership is estimated at $5,400. While Ford has struggled with reliability in the past, the brand has made significant improvements, making models like the Maverick and Escape some of the best value choices in their segments. The Maverick, in particular, offers impressive towing and cargo capacity while featuring a hybrid engine that provides excellent fuel economy, making it one of the most efficient small pickups on the market. Number 7 is Toyota. With an average car price of $3678, Toyota's best sellers include the Highlander, Corolla, and Camry, with the Corolla being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is just $1,125, making it one of the most budget-friendly choices on the market. As a giant in the automobile industry, Toyota has consistently ranked among the top brands for its perfect blend of affordability and dependability. The brand offers excellent initial value, strong resale value, and low maintenance costs. Additionally, if you opt for one of Toyota's premium maintenance packages, you can enjoy 4 to 5 years with minimal service expenses, making it an even smarter investment. Number 6 is Mazda. With an average car price of $32,787, Mazda's best sellers include the Mazda 3, CX-9, and CX-30, with the Mazda 3 being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is $1,877, making it a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious drivers. If you're looking for an inexpensive car that's also fun to drive, the Mazda 3 stands out as a top contender. Well known for its Zoom Zoom tagline, Mazda has set itself apart from Toyota and Honda by designing cars that offer a sporty look and feel. Thanks to the company's dedication to performance and efficiency, the Mazda 3 is not only an enjoyable ride, but also one of the most fuel-efficient options among affordable car brands today. Number 5 is Honda. With an average car price of $32,111, Honda's best sellers include the Civic, HR-V, and Accord, with the Civic being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is $2,140, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers. Among all the vehicles on this list, the Honda Civic may be the most popular, inexpensive car in America. Year after year, Honda, alongside Toyota, remains at the top when it comes to reliability. The brand has long prioritized the durability of its vehicles, sometimes at the expense of the latest tech features. However, Honda has since caught up in this area and is now positioning itself as the best all-around affordable car brand in both America and the world. Number 4 is Kia. With an average car price of $31,988, Kia's best sellers include the Rio and Forte, with the Rio being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is $2,370, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Often seen as an alternative to Hyundai, Kia offers similar reliability and affordability. This is especially true if you take advantage of the Kia maintenance plan, which can cover your vehicle for up to 6 years, including 2 service appointments annually. Models like the Forte and Rio are firmly positioned in the budget category, delivering excellent value for their price. While they may not be known for high-performance driving or cutting-edge technology, there's no denying that Kia vehicles offer some of the best bang for the buck. Number 3 is Buick. With an average car price of $31,950, Buick's best sellers include the Envista, Encore, and Envision, with the Envista being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is just $900, making Buick one of the best value car brands on the market today. This is not your grandparents' Buick. Over the years, the brand has completely transformed its designs, shifting towards sportier, more modern-looking vehicles packed with the latest technology. The days of Buick being associated with old and slow cars are long gone. Now the brand offers excellent reliability at an affordable price, making it a standout choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 2 is Hyundai. With an average car price of $31,393, Hyundai's best sellers include the Venue, Elantra, and Kona, with the Venue being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is $2,140, making Hyundai a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Hyundai offers tremendous value, especially with its outstanding 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. As long as you maintain and care for the vehicle properly, you'll get great long-term value from this budget-friendly brand. While some of its higher-end models, like the Palisade, come with a higher price tag, sticking with Hyundai's more affordable models will help keep overall costs down. Number 1 is Subaru. With an average car price of $29,842, Subaru's best sellers include the Impreza, Impreza Wagon, and Legacy, with the Impreza being the most affordable option. The estimated 5-year cost of ownership is $2,500, making Subaru a competitive option in the budget-friendly category. While Subaru's reputation has fluctuated in recent years, the Subaru Impreza stands out as a strong contender. Starting at just over $29,000, the 2024 Subaru Impreza offers a more comfortable interior, improved infotainment, and updated exterior styling that justifies its price tag. While some other Subaru models may be harder to recommend, the Impreza remains a clear winner in its class. So friends, these were the 8 most reliable and inexpensive car brands. Let us know in the comments how you liked this video. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, Mr. Drive. If you're interested in learning about the 10 upcoming hybrid cars of 2025, click on the video appearing on your screen. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.